What's up, Airsofters? Happy holidays. This is me and my team's recent visit to Gamepod in Antioch, California. This was December 17th. On this day I was using my new Project M4 that I like to call Iron Man because of the colors that it has. But the insides are pretty garbage. So far I've had to replace the gearbox for Avalon gearbox, and I'm working on getting a hop-up because the accuracy is really garbage. Well, anyways, later on, me and my team gets into pistol duels, and we definitely find out who has the quickest draw.
Moving up. Going this way. Going back to airport. Is there people inside?
I don't think there is. Dave, I'm not with you.
I'm inside airport. Airport's clear.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh, you good?
NANI?! NANI?!
I'll take that. That's not yours.
Right behind you.
Watch the left going to the airport.
I don't see him. They're inside airport?
Yeah, I think
They're inside airport.
is that our teammate?
I think so. You all good? Oh, okay.
Draw.
Hey. I want to go. All right.
Who's in charge? Who? Not me.
Wait, where are you drawing from? Oh God. Your thing is so much better. This is my holster right here. Are you ready? Hold on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Damn. Yeah. I wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready.
I can toss a grenade.
Yes.
I'm gonna move this way. Come back, come back. Come grab cover.
So I am going to try and push up left side away from airport, far opposite corner, over.
I'm all the way at their spawn on left side. It's all clear.
All copy. I will push over to your location, Shadow, over.
Got enemy, got enemy.
We're going to need more than you at the airport.
Green. Solid copy. There's an enemy coming up here on the left side right here. Oh, hit. I just got hit in the nuts. I found your green stick.
I think my main gun's down. Right behind the truck, right behind the truck.
You mean the van?
Behind the minivan.
Distraction!
Hey, you guys, I have a good spot for us to have a good advantage
Oh, hello.
over towards the entrance. Yeah, hey, slow up to the van. There's people back there.
Dude, I threw one of your chem sticks at him and he got hella distracted and we got the minivan guy.
Let's go.
still in the van. Sorry, bad intel.
There's some, I guess there was 2 of them.
I know one left, but yeah. Watch that minivan! Watch the minivan! Shoot his feet! Shoot his feet!
I got him.
All right.
Huh? No, I got him. Huh. There's no one. Oh. Distraction.